Okay, part 2 of this. I had to definitely start doing it again because now it was a big bolt of lightning that came down like crazy, and look at that hail. That is hail hitting my window, hail rocks in the summertime. It's just 92 degrees outside. 92 degrees, storming, hail, lightning. We just missed lightning that just missed my window. You wouldn't have believed it. As soon as the lightning came down, that's when the hail came. This looks, wow. I know my window's not that clean, but oh well. Better than nothing. I wonder who's out here getting caught in this here. Getting thundered on, lightninged, and hailed on. I said it was coming down in buckets. I said it was coming down in buckets. Alright. I'm getting ready to, a couple more hailstones. Oh, look at that guy on a bike. The guy on a bike. Coming down in buckets. Let me focus on the street there. Look at that river running. What the bejesus? Let me see if I can get a little close up.